Okay, Mara. Mara movie is by
Which movie?
Mara. Maara. Mara.
I haven't seen
It is
it.
released.
Mara.
It is released
It's not
day.
Mara.
Eh?
It's Surarai Pottu, right?
Okay. Surya Potru.
I am saying a different movie better.
Which movie?
Which released day for yesterday. Madhavan acted. That is called Mara.
Mara.
Okay. See, whenever there is a mistake to be found out, no, Asha is very active in discussion.
You know, sir.
That is what I am seeing, beta.
No, sir. Not like
I am
that.
saying there is a movie Mara which is released day for yesterday. The other one is Gopinathan's life story. Don't talk about I know 100%. Maybe my ego, I may be arrogant because I know this. That's what I'm saying. This movie came day for yesterday, which is a sub. It's a beautiful movie which is shooted in Kerala mostly. It is in Fort Kochi and then the hills of Munnar and all that. Which is probably can be a supplement or maybe a collaborative appendix movie for Charlie movie.
Charlie.
Yeah.
Charlie.
So this came day for yesterday. So as soon as it is released, next day I am seeing that movie.
Too fast.
Yeah, because I am expecting something more will come day after tomorrow. I will not postpone what I can do. See, this fellow Sanjeev just asked me, can we discuss tomorrow? I said no. You want now, today, I am ready. Don't tell me tomorrow I will do. I will not come back. You have no interest in that, you will not come back. You keep asking just for namesake, you know. If I have time today, I should do it today. Because I don't know tomorrow onwards will be there tomorrow to discuss with you also. What is the guarantee? No guarantee, no? Tomorrow we have Vivekananda, day after tomorrow I have something else. So I expect that, you know, tomorrow I must be more busy than today. Therefore, I will finish my job today. Which I may do it from midnight to 12 o'clock to 2 o'clock if I think it is important. That's more important for me, I should do it. Got it? So Mara is a new movie, Asha. That is not the old one. That old one and all 1.5 months is over. That cinema is over. Have patience to listen to something new. I am studying. See, for example, day after tomorrow I am going for a program. I know which program I am going. Others also can know which program I am going. Immediately all the videos I see about them is made into a playlist. Add to that. I created a new playlist. Add everything into that. Assume something cannot be added because they have a restriction. I will take that link and copy and then post it somewhere else also. So that I will not miss seeing it. Studying everything about that organization only I am going there. I remember going to Jain's school for a program. Before that I studied the whole geography. To this place where I am going tomorrow, I know which are all the buildings available. Because I take the Google map, look at it, identify the facility, guess this can be the entrance, then this can be the hall, this can be the staying place, this can be the kitchen. I mapped everything under me. So when I see that it takes faster for me to, I don't waste time. I am sure they are going to show me these are the facilities. I said I know already. I am not saying blah blah without knowing. I know. When I am seeing Mara movie, I don't finish. Immediately I will go and read the review. I read what Madhavan talked about that movie. There is a false statement which says it is a remake of Charlie. So some people say it's a remake of Charlie. I don't want to see it. He said, you are not read properly. You know, Madhavan said that candidate as Charlie came only maybe at the age of 25-30, but now I am acting at 48, my age is 50. So 25 years difference in the story itself is there. So it can be a supplement. That's why I said it can be a supplement, it can be an addition, it can be an appendix to that movie. Plot is different, story tag is same, ending part is almost like that because the basic character is like that, but the connection is there between the story, but it's a different story. It's like a second part of a movie sort of a thing. Got it? I analyze, I look at it. That's my problem. I spend the time. Whenever you ask a question also, I spend the time. I may not answer it properly, but that is there in my back of my brain because something else is happening. So I may answer it. But then always I wish, why not, See, I'll tell you, Gopika came to me for a discussion the other day. Immediately I called. I told Gopika, you participated in this program. I took the picture and sent it to her. You are in this. You must imagine how much time I must have spent in looking at all the photograph to guess who is this Gopika. Yesterday also it happened. Yesterday also I got a message from who attended my program in Kottayam. Every day I get, because I have got lakhs of students here. Yesterday somebody from Kottayam. I am doing forensic studies. I attended your program in Kottayam. Then I asked which year. No answer. Then I guessed. Now forensic science joined. That means now 17. So 9th class. 9th class when I attended. There was a workshop which I did in 2015. No, 14. Immediately asked, is it 2014? She said 2015. No, I said 2015. I did not came to Kottayam at all for a workshop. That was a different program. So this must be in October. I took a picture, took the video and sent it to her, saying that this is you.
Yeah, you must have been.
I did the same thing to Milka also. So you can imagine, I am investing a lot of time for each one of you.
Yes, sir.
You understood? Unfortunately, I don't store most of the discussions because it's too huge. I wanted to just play that audio which somebody had sent me, that I am nominated as an MLA's list. 140 people were listed in which I was there. Okay, I don't even have that. I just deleted because I don't value that, I don't care that. So this is being done.